It's been a couple of days since I first started questioning myself, and the headaches have now become much more frequent and intense. My body is already dancing to the tune. What am I supposed to do? My body now feels so hot. It actually feels like I'm in the middle of a BBI rally. And anytime I cough, it feels like my internals are raring to be liberated. This is just too much for one person. What am I supposed to do? Is this really happening to me? No, this can't be happening to me. But it seems like the writing is on the wall. It seems like my fate has already been sealed. No. I had done everything right. Wait. Could it actually be? All symptoms were pointing at one thing. But now it was time to find out. How do you open a bad thing in a good way? This discovery is going to change my life forever, and nothing is ever going to be the same. But I need to do this. This is one of those times you just wish there was a spell you can cast or a stone you can throw at someone and just reveals everything for you. But this was not my time. But mwanaume ni to find out things the hard way. I'm going to do this like a man. Yes, I'm going to open it. Well, here goes nothing. Kumbe nilikuwa tuna craving omena. Hata nishapona.